So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to find your local shops on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all open your any web browser on your PC and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on the website, you guys will have to log into your account and then you guys can see there are a bunch of options right there. Let's see, I want to buy some clothes for the men's and then I'll go with the jackets and coats. Now click on this option and after that guys, you can see there are a bunch of shops right here, but you guys want to find your local shops. Then what you have to do, now here you can see this option called all filters. Now click on this and then scroll down a little bit until you guys find this option called shop location, and after that you guys can select your own country or you can customize your location. Let's say you want to search in your own city, then you just enter your city name and after that you have to click on this apply button. And guys, after applying that, it will show you your local shops right down here. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.